All right. So I did crash my drone during the concrete pour for the basketball pad. I was able to get some shots as the cement truck came in, and then I accidentally, it was real windy, and I flew it into the porch roof. All right, I'll show you here. So when I broke this, I landed it quick. Cement truck's pulling in. I grab it, I change the battery, put the new battery back in, take off. I'm thinking it's facing this way to take off and fly forward that way. And when I took off, I crashed it into the top here because I hit forward and it went over there and bounced back and landed like almost right on the corner of these blocks and then fell apart. I went online, and I'll post some details here about the experience. I went online, I clicked on service. I got a form, filled out what happened. They emailed me, or I could print a UPS label. I found a box and put it in a box, put a bunch of newspaper around it. It told me to send back the unit, a battery, and the controller. So I put that in a box, packed it with newspaper. Actually didn't send it off. I was waiting until it actually took longer for me to find a UPS driver just to give it to, because it was prepaid, than it did for them to receive it, fix it, and send it out. Because I was driving around with that box in my car for about a week, because I figured I'd see a UPS truck. Seems like I see a ton of them around all the time, and I figured I'd run into one in a day or two, and I actually ended up driving around with it for a week. So I finally just getting it back, had a sign for it, and let's see what they sent us. I got some blades, packaged in the box. I got another set of blades. So these are the B's. These are the A's. Obviously there's I don't want to say a left and right, but there's an A and B. So they sent those. They sent me my controller. They sent me my battery. It actually came. All right, so the drone does have a different serial number, or sticker, I should say. This sticker in here is different than the one I have in the picture. You can see on here it says marked, and it actually shows you this goes on the top left, bottom right. The other one goes top right, bottom left. Bottom left. And they only spin one way, so if you kind of put this in, You kind of put this in till it pushes down, and then you can go, it doesn't spin clockwise, so then you go the other way. I use a SanDisk 128 gig card, and it goes right in here on this side here. There we go. So it locks in place, cover shuts, and we'll turn it on. Two pushes, and it turns on. So it's telling me to press and hold the power button for 4 seconds, and the beep indicates in pairing mode. Pair. So it's installing. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed, because for prepaid label, the camera, you can see it's rebooting. It's at 99.
A few moments later.
Check mark. Now we're in the fly safe data, so we'll let that upload.
A few moments later.
And we're back, as you can see. So let's take off here.